Hello everyone, friends. On the calendar today, I will show you how to run the code in the terminal to the studio. So I'm going to Xcode to do that and will need to go into add-ons. This is where we need the runner code. Here we are installing. Once installed, we will need to go to the preferences file of the extension settings. And here we have the RAN configuration code. We go in, go down. That's it. And run in terminal. Tick the box and accordingly close. After that, you can run the code in the terminal. That's all. Sam was. Goodbye, everyone.